Good morning, guys. We have made it to Niagara Falls. It's weird. We went to go eat breakfast, and all the money's in Canadian money, so everything seems so much more, but it is not. So I will recommend you guys to use a credit card or debit card because it converts it automatically for you. But we made it. We have made it to Niagara Falls. It's actually a lot busier than I thought. It's Saturday. It's actually beautiful though, so that's probably why. Never been in this area, don't even know what to experience, so interested to see what we're going to see. I think we're going right now to, it's something called something of the Mist. It's a boat that takes you right into the middle of it, and then also there's a little walk path that gets you underneath the actual Niagara Falls and gets you like pretty close to it. So it should be fun, should be interesting. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I didn't think I was gonna get that wet. If you guys plan to go on that Mist boat, it is so much fun. Honestly, it's something you guys need to experience, but you will. Facial wise, you will get wet. But definitely try it out, it's fun. It's not that expensive. The line is kind of long. We are back. We finally just finished eating. We are going to see some fireworks right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Good morning, YouTube. We are at Cave of the Winds today. We were supposed to do this yesterday, but it was so busy, it was so packed. I guess they had like an elevator down. One of the recommendations I tell you guys is not to come on a holiday. It is bad. But we're here at 10 in the morning. This place opens at 9, so definitely try it out early because you'll go right through. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I have to go pro, so we'll definitely be in there. But see you guys. So we just finished up the Cave of the Winds. That was so much fun, guys. It was honestly something you probably won't get to experience anywhere else. Just along with that mist boat, it takes you right underneath pretty much, or through I should say, the whole waterfall of the Niagara Falls. So much fun. Cave of the Winds definitely is a fun time, but one thing that I do recommend you guys, how nice it is just to get here early, because we came Memorial Day weekend, obviously it's a holiday, and it was so busy yesterday, so we had to make this a 2-day trip. Obviously, you have to pay for parking. It's only $10, so it's not too bad, but it can become a hassle. Being today that we came early, a little bit more prepared, we only waited about 30 minutes versus yesterday we waited about 4 hours. So big difference. I recommend you guys to come early, but it's a beautiful thing to come here in the summer. Again, also the other thing with this is it is outside right in the sun. So if you don't plan for it, you will be hot. It will annoy you. So plan for it, but it's a beautiful site. I'm gonna keep showing you guys a little bit more about it. We will be on the Canada site later today, so that should be fun. But yeah, we're here in Niagara Falls, and hope you guys enjoy the content. See you guys soon. Hello everyone, we just came to a spot called the Three Sister Islands. Pretty much just like a really 10-minute walk, really small, but beautiful, pretty much water sightseeing areas. I'm gonna show you guys around. So if you see here, waterfalls. Such a nice spot here. If you're into wildlife, this is the spot where you need to go. If you're not, you have to check something out. But this is beautiful. Like I said, look at that. You got pretty much surrounded by water.